Prayers are very important, and I don't know if you know the kind of life that the First Lady and I live. It's a very, very difficult life. It's not an easy life. Being attacked, kunyozedwa every day, it's a very difficult life. Sometimes, it makes you wonder. But what keeps us strong is belief in God. And belief in God for the faith community. In fact, kudaba kwambiri kuti anthu akule sani to come to pray with us politicians. Try if we are politicians, during our faith community, we are doing the same things. Make the spiritual side ya muntu, it's like the human side, the physical side. The two go together. So we're doing the same thing. So why people are angry, I really don't understand. I think they're misguided. I think it's very, very important, as the Reverend has said, to get involved in the things that are happening in this country, the problems that happen in this country. The faith community, the church must speak out. Even Jesus always spoke for the poor, always stood for the oppressed, the voiceless, and that's our prophetic mission.